Hey guys, welcome to How to Excel YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to remove extra spaces in Google Sheet. So I'm going to take one example. Here we have a sheet. What I have done is I have added some extra space, which you can see here. This is extra space. Here also I have one extra space. Then I have added 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extra space. It's very easy to remove the extra space. You might have a question like when we are going to use this method, which I'm going to talk about, whether it will remove the space between these two words. Like here also we have a space, right, between two words. So the answer is no. It will only remove the space which are unnecessary. Like sometimes it can be after after the word or whatever the value you will add in any particular cell, there will be some extra space, or maybe somewhere you will find extra space before the word, right, the value, and somewhere you will see the extra space between these two words, right? Like one space is valid, then if I will put like this, we can say this is extra space, right? And because of extra space, many times we face a lot of errors, especially when we do some VLOOKUP, right? And it doesn't look good also. So but in Google Sheet there is a very simple method through which you can easily remove all the extra space. So I have added extra space here, then here also, and then in this one. So what I will do, I will select these 5 cell, will go to data, then there is the data cleanup section. I will click on that, and then I will go to trim white space. So I need to click on this, and it will be done. Trimmed white space for 4 selected cells. Okay, so see, there is no white space now. There is no white space now. No extra space, no extra space. So this is how you can do it very easily. Simply go to data, click on data cleanup, and trim white space. That's it. Thanks for watching this video.